Hello. So today we are working with Ruckard Trailering strategy part 11, and what we want to do is we want to work with this, which is reverting what happens when the virtual take profit has not been reached. We don't want to keep this going on, and we will see with that. So I'm going to show you a video and we will start.
Zignaly, all of the profit, none of the work. Invest alongside the top digital asset managers and funds. If you use my link and deposit at least 100 USDT or more to any profit-sharing services, you will be rewarded with $20 worth of non-withdrawable thick coins that can be used for paying Zignaly success fees.
Okay, so let's go. So what we want to do right now is to work on
we must never stop the way.
Okay, so so we are going to work on this. So basically is let me show you. So here we have this long trailering that you can see here. This is more than 24. So if you take a look at the settings, this is 24 period, and when we have where is it? When we reach 24 bars, we don't reset this, but we make it bigger, and we keep having the same value here, the same position price. You can see down here, which is the virtual position price, 16,893, and we keep this virtual position size even if this keeps going and going on and going on. Well, this needs to be reset each time 24 period elapses, so that it works, so that we don't keep this so much open, because what happens in the end is that this is quite big, and we need a bigger movement to go back to the original price, and that's not okay, because now it goes here, but it could have gone down here, and that's a problem. So we want to fix that so that it works, it's reset as it was done before. So here we have all of this, and we should not need this. Make sure to reset break even. Yeah, not sure if this is what we want to have. Okay, so yeah, so let's think about this. Where the hell do we have these values modified? So we need to know what we are talking about. So what we're talking about, what happens when something was reached. Okay, so let's take a look first at what happens when something has reached, which is somewhere, somehow, somewhere. Here it is. Bear shot is reached. So when this is reached, then trailing along. Wait a minute. Okay. If we were in a position and this is reached, then we are no longer inside the position. And what happens is that everything here is reset. So we need this to be reset here. If something else happens, like okay. Let's add a bookmark here. So if we have beer trailer in both, which means that a new one has been reached, then what we are going to do, wait a minute. I mean, it should be as easy as saying that. What the hell is this? When this is true, then you are not inside the position, and that's it. I think it's as easy as that. Okay, so if a new happens, then you are no longer inside the position and something. Okay, so Reddit. What the hell? That's the guy saying. Okay, Okay. Let's go on with this. So yeah, so the idea is when we reset, this is false. Let's see what happens, because that's something that I'm concerned. Maybe it's not going to work. Maybe it's not a good thing to have here. Okay. Apparently this is working. No, it's not. Why is that? Let's try another setting here. So each time no, that's not right, because if you are not and then you are, then this is true. So this is not okay. So what you want to do is something like yeah, maybe we want to change this so that it triggers more times. So if nothing has been reached, okay, so so the problem is here. I would mean we want to modify this thing, which is when you want to say that you are inside the position, so that this position price is reset to whatever, and probably more stuff that needs to be reset, like we have here on the difference, because here you can see how break-even is reset also, but this is position price, not the virtual one. So what I want to do is to reset this one, and we want to reset this when we are inside, when this is true. So I'm going to copy and paste all of this so that I can work with this. properly. Um, okay, so let me see. Okay, so let's focus on this. Do we need to reset position, virtual position price if this is not reached? Yes, we want to reset it. Do we want to reset this if we are not inside a position? Yes, we want to reset it because sometimes it happens that we loop. Do we want to reset this when there's a change? I mean, when you are not inside the sell order and you are not inside the buy order. Yes, because otherwise this is not going to work properly. Do we want to reset this when there's this change here? Yes. So I think what we want to do is just remove this. We are inside the bear position setting. So let's do it. So now what we are going to have is this thing here, which is removing that we do not need to be inside the virtual position in order to modify this. Let's see what happens, because I think that if you are inside the position, you need to reset more stuff in addition to this. That's why it does not work properly. So let me see what happens right now. Mismatched if output. $708. Oh, yeah, this needs to be found here. Otherwise, this is not okay. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now we have something, and as you can see here, each one of the trades, they only have 24. You don't have more. Yeah, you can have more than 24, but they are reset. But this reset is not working quite well. But I think this is something that we want to have. However, I think we need to work with this knowledge about where the hell is this? We are inside a not position, which is here. Okay, so let's work with that. So here we have some So if you were not inside the position, there's no need to reset everything. But if you were inside the position, we want to specifically, I mean, not here, but here. So this is before setting being inside the position to true, which we want it always to do like that. We want to reset some additional stuff, which is if you are inside the position, this is not reach, you are not there, this happens. You want to reset whatever it's used, which is here. You want to reset this. Which is look at that. If we were not inside the position, or if we just got into a position, yeah, okay, so yeah, let's do one thing. Let's make up a new variable so that this is easier. So this is going to be reset period variables, which is going to be false by default. Yeah, I think so. We want this to be false by default. And so what we're going to do is that if you were inside the position, this needs to be true, okay? And then finally, when you do your stuff here, this is going to be false if you come from this being true. So that okay, so yeah, so if you do everything here and you are inside a position, you need to reset the build variables, and this is something that you would do till you are here and you set them to false. So if I want to reset the variables, what I want to do is to okay, this is or this or that. You are not inside the position, or you are, or you need to reset the build variables. That's it. So let's take a look and see what happens here with all of this. Hopefully we don't get any yellow background. Bull float 701. What the hell? Oh, look at that. This is not okay. It should be Boolean. Okay, we don't have any yellow. That's nice. So now we need to check if there's something wrong here or whatever. I mean, if we have this every 24. Oh, take a look at that. Here we have big short, and it's never reached till the stop loss is reached. So we probably need something like making sure that this does not take more than 6 candles to do their stuff. What the hell is this? Yeah. Yeah, but I'm not sure. Maybe I want 2% of stop loss instead of 6 candles. What about this? 0.5. So you have 6 candles, and if it does not work, we close it. Is it any better than what we have right now? I don't think so. Okay, I mean, hopefully this is good enough, but I'm not sure about it. Let's add this as an additional yeah. Not this thing, not this thing, not this thing, this. Okay, 19. So I think this is what we want to have. I mean, there's this, I mean, it doesn't work as well as one would like to, but wait a minute. Let me understand what happens here. Why isn't there anything triggered here? Is it because it's too small? Yeah, probably it's too small here. Okay. Beard, let's take a look at a beard position price. Is this always the same one? But here there is difference. And somehow it's not moved at all. And this is something that needs to be fixed. This is not okay, because we should have some movements here which we don't have here. The way I see it, we don't have these movements here. That's concerning. So let me see. So there's this maximum profit excursion stuff, which is here. Which says if you were not inside the position and now you are inside the position, please do some stuff. However, if you already were inside the position, then do some stuff. So let me check. So bare position size is reset here if whatever, and if you were inside the position, then this needs to be reset if you were inside the position, so that means that you were not and then you are. Okay, so this is the case where you are inside the position. If you are inside the position, you want to just update this. You don't want to you were not inside the position. I think we want to do this here. Okay, so what we want to do here is reset this later after all of this, which is the excursion. So this should be moved here, otherwise this is not a nice thing to have. Let me see. So I want to have this in a different place. So what you want to do here is, if you want to reset, you do this. The same thing happens here. If you want to reset here, you do this. And that's it. That way we will be able to reset everything when this changes without too much of a problem. And you can check this here. Okay, first of all, let's try and see if we can test this. And if it works as expected, I will amend the latest commit, because I think we don't need any more commits related to this, which is fixing whatever happens when we reset the stuff. Now I want specific okay, let me see. Look at that. Now we have something that makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense, I mean. Oh, yeah, you think so? Yeah, you have several 24 which get reset each time, and each time get reset as if they are started from scratch. Finally, we get something. I mean, yeah, the results are not so good, but we can try some other offsets and see if it's any better.
I mean, I'm not sure if this has been fixed properly, but it seems to me that it's the case. Okay, so let me save this and we will fix it later just in case. So we want this and this. This needs to be split. Now we don't want any of this. Quit. Commit. Okay, let's do another commit and that's it. Now let's focus on if this is working as expected or not, because I'm not sure about it. Okay, so bear position price. Look at that. Bear position price is modified here. And yeah, so my question is, what does happen with long take profit? Do we update long take profit without wanted to update it? So long take profit is 261.5. Are we updating this long take profit before reaching this long take profit? No, we are not. Long take profit. And finally, we update it because we have reached it. We reached 200. Isn't it 261? I guess that we reach it. Let me see. 261. Okay, yeah. I think that's right. Okay, so this seems to work nice, I guess. Although here, okay, here we have this close here. Why the hell this should? Okay, let me see. Beer position price is 174. And long take, short take profit is this thing here. Man, I don't think this short setting is right here. Let me check what we have here. $0.58. No, this is not right. Okay, let me find out which is the short take profit. Here, I guess. Short take profit is this one. Damn it. Short take profit is this one here, which is
Okay, so this is take profit. Stop loss should be twice as big, and that's not the case. So this needs to be fixed so that, because right now the ratio is 0.5, so the stop loss is twice as big, and that's not true. Okay, so let's take a look at short stop loss. Try to understand short stop loss. I mean, what's the value here? 600 something. Okay, so short stop loss is 17. Yeah, it's quite big. It makes sense. Wait. So here short stop loss is set to something else, which is close entry. Oh, wait a minute. Close entry? Do we have a close entry? Why do we have a close entry? Is this something about this being very old? Yeah, look at that. We need to reset this, otherwise I'm getting mad when I should not be mad at all. Okay, this is another thing. Okay, now this makes sense, I guess. Let's turn on the back. See what we have here. Hopefully this is good enough for us. So long. Take a look at that. We have better results. %64. Okay, now, oh, look at that, my friend. Now I'm going to try and test ratio 1:1, see what happens. But I'm not sure. I mean, if we have such results with 0.5, maybe with 1, it's a bit better, but I'm not sure about this. Okay, let's try with 0, see what happens with 0. Those are not so good results. So look at that. So one thing that we can do now that this is more or less works as expected is to change the pair to BTC DOM first, and then we are going to try XMR. See if there's anything good without it. -21.
Yeah, BTC DOM does not seem to be good enough. What about XMR? Doesn't move anything at all because of dark money. Trailing offset. -5. -20. -14. Okay, yeah, I mean, this is not good. Not sure if we are going to get anything with ADA. What about Ethereum? Okay, what about resetting stuff so that we are with yeah, so that we are with 0.5. What does happen with BTC DOM? Is it any better, BTC DOM? I think it was, but I am not sure about that. So BTC DOM well, I don't know. Yeah, but I think, okay, what about XMR with 0.5? Is it any better? Let's start from 0 and let's see what happens. Look at that. It's a bit better. Not too much. Okay, let's reset everything again. Let's go back to BTC. Let's show this different mana. Let's show the back line so that I understand what's happening here. So what I want to have here is this to be smaller. So I don't want 1.9 ATR, but something smaller. Hopefully it's better. So what about 1.5? Yeah. What about 1 ATR so that we have many trades? Is it any better? Probably not. What about 125, which we had before? What about using OHLC4 for the ATR so that we don't have those big movements? I like this. I think I like this. I mean, 70%. That's nice. 3%. Okay, I think we have something. -1%. -1%. 6%.
12%. Oh my god, let's write this down. So otherwise we are going to lose it. So this is BTC USDT 1 hour, and this is ATR take profit source OHLC4 and ATR take profit multiplier percent is 125. Okay, let's see what we get here. Minus 20. Oh, that's not a good thing to have. Minus 20. I mean, are these ones a bit better if we use close instead of OHLC? Minus 19. Yes, they are. So, okay, let's just start again from 0. Minus 6. 13. 9. 21. 238. Yeah, this sounds good. So it's BTC 1 hour, and then it just changed the multiplier to 125 instead of 119, and then everything works fabulously. Let's take a look here. So it's 125, and we can check the offset here, which, wait a moment. Okay, so the first one is not so good, minus 6, but then everything from there goes okay, probably 13, 10%, $238. Okay, let's do some new settings so far. So what I want to do is, I mean, we don't have, yeah, I mean, so what I'm going to do is to build up a new version, which is going to be, okay, so today is 8. So this is going to be F6. Down here it's going to be F6. Okay. This one here and this one here. Not this one, 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 and not this one. So this is going to be one version to F6. Okay, and then we've got the trailering. Damn it, we've got the hit tag. This is going to be F6. Okay. Now we're going to change the default setting from 1.9 to 125, which is somewhere here, I guess. I mean, okay, so now we have, so this is, okay, so this is F6. Backtest 1. Okay, so now we have F6 with backtest 1, which we have only this change, which is 125 instead of whatever we have there. Okay, so this F6, I'm going to show this into the to this here. Oh yeah, I need to push also the main branch so that this is a bit better, but it's not strictly needed. So F6. So F6, going to edit the bit of description, and we will have it there. Nice. Yeah, so look at that. Yeah. So we can backtest this, and even we can backtest this with a smaller stop loss, if you ask me, because sometimes that's what. So sometimes that's what it is. We turn on the debug also. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a template, which is F6, and we are going to do a proper backtest because I am curious to know what happens with all of this. So we save this. Okay, so now I'm going to reset everything. I'm going to set this to true, and I'm going to set this to 125. Once I have done this, I'm going to test everything, and I'm going to write down everything. So right now we are going to test this backtest one with F6, which is going to be on BTC, and the take profit multiplier is going to be 1.125. Okay, so we are going to test all of this, and hopefully we get some sense of this. So we start with 0, and this is minus 569. Okay, plus 13. Yeah, okay, plus 98. Sorry, here we want to change this here, plus 21.6. last 238. We can also work with 0 to 14 as a break even instead of 331. Really offset. 23 streets. I mean, when it goes up quite big. That's nice to know. Plus 1084. This is very, very nice because we have many trades that makes this very, very nice. Plus 1002. Zero dot one. Not sure why, but 0.1. Minus 8.79. Look at that. Minus 5 something something. Minus 0.45. I wonder if I should not use percentages instead of something else, because minus 1133. Oh my god. I wonder if this is related when we start the stuff. Minus 23 mean this thing that I have written down. Minus. So apparently some of the trades are okay, but some of them are not. So that's concerning. It's like either we have something wrong or 693. Damn it. 693. $8.44. $10.91 and this needs to be awful too. $1.08. Okay, so this is not quite good as I expected. Okay, here you can see all of the trades, which I'm going to sure if we can do this more bigger. I mean, yeah, we can do this bigger, but you can see here how, oh yeah, look at that. You can see here how all of these trades, okay, all of these trades happen. So if you sum them and you divide by 24, this is minus 1.22%. However, there seems to be something nice here, which is from here to here we have good results, but then we no longer have good results. And probably this is because these trades are starting from one point of time, probably here where 24 is ignored. So that means that from here on you've got good results, but from from here we don't have good results. So this is something that probably needs to be fixed, but I am not sure about that. So I'm going to try to find when these trades start. So the first one starts being so this is number 0, this is number 1. So let's see when number 1 starts, so that I can say this is start. This is a problem of the dates. So number 1 starts at 1 of January. Well, this is the first one you can use, which is here. What about the other ones which are worse than this? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What about 15? What about 15 offset? Can we check why is that? Okay, so 15 offset has a bad result. 2 of 2. Okay, so I'm not sure why. Yeah, so probably if we check the volume or something, we might be able to understand what's the better way of doing this properly. So maybe this one here, which is on January. So here we have some movement, but then what we do here is so in this candle where everything is cut, we can see how the volume is quite higher than the previous volume. So probably we want to work with this. We want to work with this thing. But I'm going to make, I'm going to save 125 instead of 19 here. And this is going to be the F something setting, which I don't remember right now. F7 setting. So here it is. So let's add this. So this is the F setting. Okay, so now okay, look at that. So now I can say something like F settings. Yeah, that's right. Now I can bump the version to F7. Okay, F7 and F7. Nice. And this is F7. It's nice too. Let's add this, nothing else. And now we can bump to F7. And new tag that we are going to use here. Now we are going to optimize the strategy so that it works as we want to. And hopefully we can turn around the ratio so that we have better, even better results. You know what I mean? Okay, so where the hell are you, my friend? Yeah, so now we should be able to check here F7. Hopefully has the F7 here down here. Okay, nice. Now let's edit this here. Nice. Okay, so well, okay, so what I'm going to do right now is work on I want to remember another strategy, which is okay, let me, so this is F7. Use in the trade, yeah, use trailering in the trades to avoid having to be closes when they happen. That's a good idea, but didn't we have something about the volume? I mean, yeah, filter valve volume. So right now we have managed to backtest. So this backtest is results of the backtest. We can copy and paste from what I have, from what I had before, and yeah. This is not very good, but it's what it is, so I don't care too much about it. Okay, so this is 1.24%. So it's not very good, but it's something. So filter by volume thanks to script learnings. Okay, so I'll be back in a few minutes. We will work with that, with this, hopefully. Okay, so I'm back. So, yeah. So we have this thing here, which, and we also have this volume here, which, yeah. So the question is, how much volume do we want to, so that this is ignored at all? Okay. Oh, look at that. This is a better long-term bet than Bitcoin. Depends what you want to do. Okay, so yeah. So what I want to do is I want to study the OBB script that I did a while back ago, which I should have around here, and then we will check it from you know, from, so we have scripts, and one of the scripts is what the hell is this? Isn't it something with M? OBB RSI? Is this that? No. I mean, I have this B script, so it's not going to be difficult to know which neobutan. Yeah, this one. So Ruckard neobutan. Okay, I didn't remember about this name here. Wait a moment. What the hell is this script? So we have B scripts with neobutan volume zone. Then we have C with this C script. And don't we have an A script? Maybe we don't have it. Ruckard neobutan. Okay. So we have this B script with some stuff, which supposedly is using something to know. Okay, so let's take a look at it in the new script here, which is going to be a new layout. This is going to be neobutan. Okay. So here we have the trailering, and here we have neobutan. So I want to take a look at it first here instead of there. So what the hell is this? Okay, so here we have these B scripts, neobutan volume zone. So this one, which is the classic one, and up here you can copy and paste this. Now we should be able to, wait a minute, what the hell is this? Yeah, apparently open new strategy. Let's paste this here. The reason not found. Okay. Yeah, we should be able to move this into the other one, but okay, so now we should want to add this to the shot, and hopefully, okay, so you, oh my god, and you can see how this has some green stuff where some movement happens or something. I'm not sure what the hell was that. What this about? What was this about? Okay, let's move this into whatever we have here, because otherwise create new strategy. Let's save this because this was a strategy too, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so this was saved. We add this to the chart. Only once, please. And now we can focus on this one. Strategy tester, we don't... I mean, it's not good, isn't it? I mean, we don't want this. Okay, so now we should be able to check whatever we want to. So probably the first entry, which was the negative one, quite... So this is an example of what you want to have here. Yeah. So take a look at that. You can see how here yeah, I'm not sure what the hell is this, but you can see how here the volume stuff is above the orange one. Okay, so that's good enough for me. So if I'm above the orange, I don't want to do anything. So let's keep going on and see what happens. Oh, this one should not be there. What about this one? This one is okay, if you ask me. It takes a bit. Then this one, it's a bug. So this needs to be fixed. So let me test. Okay, so this 008 traits will need to be fixed, because otherwise... Okay, let me write down which one it is. So otherwise this is not funny. It's 21 January 4 12. Okay, so yeah. And this one is also too low for this to be okay. So, but I mean, probably this one would be okay, but you know. Okay, what about this one? What the hell is this? Okay, so
So this is short one, and apparently we win. How that's possible? This is moving too much to the top. Then finally it goes down. But maybe this this is an orange, so you wouldn't open an order here, even if it has been okay, you wouldn't open an order there. What about this long here? This long here also was here, so you don't want to be here, if you ask me. And this reaches and stop. Yeah, look at that. What about the ones that are okay? What about this long one here? Yeah, you wouldn't have triggered this one. What about this short one here? It's also the orange one, but this one works okay. So apparently everything that gets into the orange okay, look at that. This one is perfect and it's not in the orange. Yeah. This one has an error, but it's not on the orange. So, yeah. I'm not sure what to put here. What about this one here? Short one. It's here. Yeah, look at that. This short one here is too much orange. This is not orange. Or is it? Yeah, this one is orange. Well, what about this one? This one is also orange. Oh my god. This one is orange too. This is 08, which is not okay. We need to find out why it's not okay. What about this one here? This one is another one which is not orange. I'm not sure that this is going to be useful at all, if you ask me, because... Okay, what about this one? This is orange, apparently. So we could discard it because this is orange. Okay, so let's take a look at this script and see what we can find about it.
We should have a strategy somewhere. Long close. What the hell is strategy? Okay, here you are. Oh, look at that. Volume, zone, short, price. Yeah, I mean, there were some triggers. I wonder if I want to just use whatever. This is some plot here, isn't it? So this is about plotting one color or the other one. Overbought, oversold with 70. So this is... yeah, I don't know which colors are this. Probably, if I check the source code, I could take a look here. The pearly... currently we have colors till 60. So show outer levels. Okay. So apparently it was something like the price going up here, then it's up about or oversold. I mean, not the price, but the volume. I wonder what the hell is this thing that we have here. I mean, volume zone, price zone. I mean, which is the line that we print everywhere? Which one it is? That's the question. Volume zone oscillator, probably this one here, volume zone. Volume zone is F zone here, which is a function. Okay, and this is... what the hell is this? This is something like an EMA something something. Yeah, I mean, it's an oscillator, and it goes, it's like an RSI. Okay, so let me see. So I think the idea is that we have some colors here that we can take a look at, and yeah. Yeah, so we could try to not print but use this and see what happens with all of this. Hopefully it's good enough for... I mean, so what I can do is to set some settings, minimum, maximum. That way we can... I mean, minimum and maximum for short and long, short or something. Because... okay, what about this short here? Do we want something?
this is yellow. And this is orange. Yeah, okay. So I might use this, but I'm not sure this is going to be a good idea. Okay. What about this length? This is used by fzone, which uses length, which is this thing up here, which is 21. We are using 14. Maybe we want to use 14 instead of all of this. But source and a type something something. So what you think this is used here? So that, yeah, look at that. So we have an IMA and then we have another one of them here. Oh my god, this is going to be awful. Because we have this fzone, so that we have 100. 100, so I wonder if I want to do this from scratch instead of using this, because this is using something and I might want to have calculated this from where I start instead of That's a good question. If I do something manually, how the hell do I do it? That's the question, because this is an I think I need something faster than what this thing is doing, because this is using an MI with some movement, and then, you know,
Okay, I'm back. So, I mean, my problem is that this Emma is based on 9, but then this is used in order to get this volume zone. So we might need to change these settings a bit, okay? Okay, so right now we are going to make another letter, because otherwise this is going to mean not another letter, because we need to fix 008. Yeah, so we need to fix this. We need to do new letter from scratch. And then filter by volume, thanks to OBB stuff. But we are going to do it with our stuff, because otherwise this is not good enough, if you ask me. Okay, so new leather and from scratch. Okay, so let's fix what we have here wrong, which is, okay, let's remove this. We might add it later, but so far I don't like it. So let's take a look and search. Oh, this is some lines related to volume. That's why they didn't move at all. About this one here. Okay. So, yeah. Reverse. Copy. Save this. Okay, so if we reset everything, we should have this 125. Okay, and I turn this on. And hopefully this is good enough for us. Okay, look at that. So I want to fix 008, which I have an example somewhere. And once this is fixed, we should be able to have a new letter and do it from scratch, so that we can build with, we can filter by volume thanks to OBB, and then we can work out what we want to do with that. Okay, so let's try and see what we get here. Emma ATR. Emma using ATR and that's it. I prefer ATR rather than EMAS and so on, but I'm not sure what to do about this. Okay, so please. New letter, I mean, let's search this 008 so that we can understand what's wrong there. Look at that.
Yeah, look at. Wait a minute. $12 o'clock. This is not 008. Okay, here we have another one, which I'm going to. Maybe this was with the other settings. Yeah, probably. 10 of January, 5 a.m. Okay, so what the hell is this? Why do we have so strange results? Okay, let's take a look at beer position price. Is this one here? Okay, not here, but here. And wait a minute, is this 008 or is it me that... Do we have any 008? Maybe this one is not from there. 10 of January. Okay, here we have one of them. Here it is. Oh. What the hell is this? December 21. 3 a.m. Okay, let's take a look at whatever we have here, because I'm not so sure what we have here. So here you can see how this is closed here, and then we have a new what's the name? New beer position price, which it's there. Let me draw it so that we have the beer position price properly. So this is like this. Yeah, so here we start, and this is the beer position price here in the middle. That's nice. And this is also the beer position price, and the long take profit, it's also this. So this should be the long stop loss. Long stop loss. Why the hell the long? Okay. Long. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. Long stop loss is the same value. That's not okay. So once we switch to this new one, long stop loss is the same thing as the virtual price, and that's not okay. We need to know why is that. So let's take a look here. Long stop loss, long stop loss, long stop loss. So here we reset some variables. Take profit.
We don't change anything here. If we are inside a position, do something. If we are inside the position, you need to do this. If we are inside the position. So once we are no longer inside a position, this is not updated. Yeah, but this is not what is used later in order to use the long stop loss and so on. So I'm not sure what we are doing here. So this makes sense to be reset. Okay, let's take a look at the long stop loss. Okay, here it is. This might be what's wrong here. This needs to be updated when we need to reset the stuff, isn't it? Because otherwise... That's a good question. So longest stop loss is based on order stop loss per one, which is based on take profit per one, which is based on bear position price. Yeah, this is you probably need to update this when you need to update it. So 1188. Okay, 1188. Here you are. Okay, so now we are going to edit this script, which is the same one. And I'm taking a look at the reset stuff. So long take profit needs to be reset. So that, yeah. Do we need to reset long stop loss? No, we don't. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. You know, when this is reached, you don't want long stop loss to be modified, even if 24 is here again. You know what I mean? So this should be the one here. Then it's reached. That's nice.
Long stop loss. Okay, long stop loss is this one here. Why long? Okay, long stop loss is being modified all the time because we are not in long trade. What about short stop loss? Short stop loss is not being modified. However, once we are here, long stop loss should be modified so that it becomes something else. And yes, it's been modified. So what the hell happens when this is reached? Okay, let me see. Is this something about 24 being reached again or not? So we have 24. And then 24 is reached. And that's where you have this long stop loss set to the per position price. Okay, let me see if I understand this. We need to check these reset variables. So this is going to reset position price, that's it. Also long take profit and short take profit. Yeah. Then later on, long stop loss. Okay, let me see. So what the hell, when the hell is modified is long stop loss, which is longer, which is used here. Yeah, so long stop loss. Let me see. So long stop loss is modified here. Do we have any reason to know, to think about this is trigger here or not? So let's see if we can check any of this. Not inside a buy order, and then you've got long. Okay, here you have long, and in the previous candle you were not inside a buy order. That's right. So this is triggered. Okay, so this is true. So this is triggered. So long take profit is the bear position price. That's nice. Which is the take profit one. And the problem with this is that
Yeah, let me see again this. So the problem is long stop loss, which is based on this, which is based on this, which is based on this. And I guess that in this trade here, position price and bid position price is the same thing. Oh, look at that. What are we supposed to do here then? Long stop loss, long take profit. Okay, long take profit is not the right one here, but here it's the right one. Problem is the long stop loss, which is not done properly, because there's specific case where these two are the same thing. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. Because here I don't have, the position price is not the right one. Why the position price? Yeah, so the position price here should be the close one. Yeah, that's it. The position price should be the close one, and that's not it. So we are not updating the position price when we should be updating it. That's the main problem here. And how the hell how? Okay, let's take a look here. Position price, something, calculation. So position price should be close. Let me see. Here position price should be close, which is here, down here. So this happens when inside the sell order, inside the buy order. What? Okay, let me check. Inside buy order, no. Inside the sell order, no. Position price. So its position size reset to something else later. Look at that. This is where we set. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Make sure the position price is not updated in the case where we just have reached the take profit. Is this what's happening here? Position price is not updated. Okay, so we need two position price, two different position price. That's the reason why this is not working. Okay, make sure the position price is not updated. So if you were not inside a sell order or a buy order,
That's okay. And the take profit has been reached, or the short take profit has been reached, then do not update position price. And that's what's happening here. Position price should be this one here, and it's not updated. Make sure the position price is not updated in the case where we just have reached to take profit. Do we still need this? That's a good question. Let's comment this and see what happens. Probably this is going to explode and we will have yellow lines, which are not a good thing to have in the first place. Let's see. Look at that! We have some yellow lines because that's what we managed to fix. Yeah. Okay, so let me check. So this is 1058, and I mean, my question is, why do we need this in the first place? What's the reasoning for it? Final take profit value based on actual position price. Yeah, not this one. Override the stop loss. Yeah. Position price, position price, position price, position price, position price. So we have this problem here that fixes something, but then it makes something to go wrong. Position price does not need to be updated. Make sure that position price but why do we update this in the first place? Let me see. Make sure that position price is not updated in the case where we have reached the take profit. It's not updated. Have reached. Okay, so if we are not, not updated, so not updated. Okay, let's take a look at. So we have two problems. The first one is okay, let's take a look at the first yellow stuff. See if we have anything to say about it. Okay, here it is. Here we have this problem here, which is that this is yellow, and this is yellow because the quantity is negative because the order stop loss is negative. And this is related to a short entry. And something that I do not remember. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at what we were taking a look right now, which is... I don't want to lose the focus. Okay, let me see. Okay, so hopefully this does not work. Okay. Okay, so this might be a problem because it makes long stop loss, short stop loss to have the same value. However, if we do not use it, then we have a yellow background, negative negative order stop loss. Okay, so I need to understand where the hell is this order stop loss or whatever. So this position price is used somewhere. Here maybe. Yeah. $1188. $1888. 1188. Okay, fixed. However, if you don't have a yellow background, negative order stop loss. Oh my god, and this is in the same place, isn't it? Because that's what we are using here in order to order stop loss per 100. So when you are inside a short order, you are down here, and that's where you use bid position price. I mean position price And that's where everything explodes. Okay. I'm not sure what the hell we want to do here, if you ask me. So I think we want this code to be here so that we can decide if we do something or the other one, if we do one thing or the other one. However, we need to know which one we want to use, because okay, let me see. What the hell is this? What was the idea? So position price is whenever, so position price should be always updated to close, so that when you are here you have the right position price, and the stop loss can be done here. Okay, and that's something that it's not done here, because you I mean, we are updating it. Once you are here, you want the price you had before, so that's why you have this. I mean, can we just use this and then okay, let me see. Which is the position price? I think that the only thing that makes sense is just using here position price 1. Although I'm not sure, if you ask me. Because what the hell happens when the question is, what the hell happens when you are yeah, you got this one here, take profit per one, whatever that means. Trailing F reverse, copy. Let's see what happens, but I'm not sure this is the right way of fixing this. We are inside. We were not inside the buy order, and then we are inside the buy order. Yeah, I think I can do this better. And long, not inside my order. Yeah, I think I can do this better. I'm sure this is going to be good. Yeah, this is yellow. Okay, I think what we want to do is copy and paste this. Okay. So the first one is going to be the one that uses the current price instead of the latest one. Okay. Okay. And this one is so. You are not inside my buy order, then you are. That's it. And you are not inside the sell order, and then you are. However, if you are here or here, then you want the new value. Let's see if this is okay. Otherwise we will update this so that we can have the new one. I mean, the new one is close, isn't it? Let's see what we have here. The new one is close. Yes, this should be the other way around, if you ask me. That's it. Okay, let me see. Do we have yellow background? Yes or not? Yes, we have. So, what you want to do here is so probably you want, wait a minute. Okay, so this is position price without anything. Okay. Nice. However, here, instead of position price, we're going to use close. because I say so. Wait a minute. If we are inside the buy order, we want close instead. So this is not okay. So the problem is here. Why wouldn't you have want position price 1? But that's what everyone uses. So I think we have already removed. Okay, we have already removed 1 from here, but it has not worked at all on this position price. Okay, 1. Okay, so this is my position price, and here this is going to be okay. Let's try, but I think we are going to change this into 1, and that's it, so that it works as expected. I'm not very sure about this. Wonder if the problem is that we are doing this. Okay, we still have yellow. So the idea is to modify position price somewhere up here. Let's see. Position price calculation. What the hell have we done? So position price is updated later on here. Make sure this is not updated. That's it. Now we should be able to work around this, hopefully, because now we have different values depending on being inside that rate or not. Okay. Do we have yellow background? No, we don't. Do we have 008? Yes, we have. Why is that? This is because long take profit and long stop loss is the same thing. Okay. And why is that?
Okay, so if you are not this is about having long one and not inside by order. Well, so this is the first one, okay, and this is the second one. Look at that, first one and the second one. Okay, so the one we want to modify is this one here, which is inside by order 0 and long is 1, not inside the by order, long is 1. Yeah, it's this one that we want to modify so that long stop loss and short. Wait a minute. Where the hell was this problem here? Long stop loss. Where the hell I have seen long stop loss and short stop loss being the same thing? I cannot find it anymore. Damn it. Yeah, I mean, position price is not modified and it should be modified, isn't it? But long stop loss and short stop loss has the right value, isn't it? Long stop loss, short stop loss. I mean, we have modified something, but it's not good enough. So I think that here, what you want to do is you want position price 1 instead of what you had originally, because that's something. Yeah, that's what you want here. So let's write this down. Position price 1. That's what you want. Then anything else you want position price, which could be yeah, in that case you want to fix this so that it's not used in the first place, if I'm not mistaken. So otherwise, why would you do this in the first place? Okay, let's try this again and see what the hell happens, because I'm not sure I'm doing anything good so far. think we need another variable to save position price, be modified or not. Oh, look at that. Now we have both of the same stuff. Do we have long stop loss and short stop loss to be the same thing? No, we don't. Yeah, my God, this is nuts. We should not need this. Comment this, not comment this. Do this, not log to this. Okay. Let's try to fix this manually. Why not? Why not? Okay, so apparently we don't get to wait too much till this happens. Okay, so this is a long order or whatever. So order stop loss per one is minus 2.2. Yeah. Why is that? We don't know. This position price has not the right value. Okay, what are the conditions here? So that, what are the conditions here? The first condition is not being inside the buy order and then being long. Not being inside. Okay, you are not inside the buy order, and now you are long. Okay, so the first one is true. Second one is that you had long in the previous one, so this one is not used. And the last one is you being inside the buy order. That's not true. So we are on the first one, which I'm taking a look at the other screen. Okay, so the first one uses position price 1, which is something. Do you have to use position price 1? No, you have to use position price here, which should be 32. Okay, let me see. Close. Yeah. 32, 8, 100. Position price. Yeah. Okay. So here we need to use position price, which is the close. Okay, let's fix this so that we use the right position price here. Okay. Let's take a look and see if we have fixed everything properly. Do we have any yellow color? Yes, we have. Let's try to find it or whatever.
Okay, let's move this to the right till we find something. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look. So here we should have -1, isn't it? Why is it so? Yeah, what the hell we have here as a condition? And this is... Are we in a short? No, we are not. So this is having short 1. That's okay. Then not being inside a cell order, which is also this. And this is when you don't want to use position price from here, which is the same thing as close, isn't it? Okay, so this close one is 298.3 and position price is 292.3. Here you want to use the position price from the previous candle. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. That's it, because somehow this is not good enough. Man, this should be open, isn't it? Instead of position price 1, it should be open. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, do we have any yellow right now? No, we don't. Okay, is this good enough? We don't know. Do we have any 008? Or have we managed to fix this? Let's take a look. 008, which is always a red one. Not now. I mean, we should check everything that it's less than 020 then. I don't care too much. And I think we should be using open instead of position price from latest candle, because you know, although what happens if that you trigger when you close the trade, not when you open the new one. So yeah, the sort of close is a good thing to have, I think. So okay, I don't see anything that is 008. So this is quite nice if you ask me. I mean, we have a lot of trades, but I don't see any 008. Nice, look at that. Okay, let's see if we manage to find out if we can make a commit of this. Make sure the position price something. Okay, so this code needs to be removed. So make sure that position price is not updated, which is here. We are going to remove it. Nice. Okay. Decide if a short term should be closed. Yeah. This is not okay. I have removed this and I should not have removed it. Wait a minute. Is there, isn't it? What the hell is this? We should not need this. Short pause. Make sure to reset break even if you don't have. I mean, let's close this here. Let's move this here. Damn it. Where the hell am I? Make sure the position price is not updated. Damn it. This is too much. Order stop loss is just here in case. Order stop loss is just here in case. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That way. This is going to be easy to add or remove if we want to. Okay, so now we should be able to add everything from here. Okay, so not this one, not this one. Let's split everything. So we want to remove this. We don't want this. We do not want this. We want this. This needs to be split. We want this. We do not want this. We do not want this. Wait. And now we should be able to, what's the name, to bump the version. But before doing that, I will test with some other settings. But I'll be back.
Okay, so let's try to do, look at that, 68%. Let's try to do back test and see if it's any better or worse or whatever. So we have this 9 minus 1 dot, yeah, well, anyway. So let's do one quick back test here. So now we have this 125. We start with 0. Okay. Let's see if we manage. Oh, look at that. The problem is that it does not keep this properly. But if we manage to remove everything that has too much volume, I think we will be able to do something useful with all of this. Plus 2914. Look at that. So far this is promising, but we need to prove it, because the other tests that we have done were not so promising. So look at that. These are very nice stuff. Plus 1006. Plus 01. I mean, we don't know why, but yeah. Okay. So far, I only had one of them to be negative. So this is quite promising. To 22. Minus something something. Okay. I don't care too much about this one. Oh my god. Have I managed to do this wrong? What about number 9? 7.5. This is 222. What the hell is this? Okay, 222. And now from here, we can do something else. Minus 547. Oh my god, this starts to not to work well again. So we don't know if this is randomness or something. That's why I want to fix this with the volume. Okay. Oh my god. Minus 21.3.
minus 21. It's interesting how oh my god, what's happening here? I mean, it's quite profitable, but then you lose more than you win, so that's not good enough, if you ask me. Profit factor. Yeah, okay. 969. Oh my god. We started quite well, but then it went wrong. Quite easy. So I think we need to filter by volume somehow, and that's it. Okay, so take a look at this. It's even worse, but at least it works like I wanted to. So this is yeah, F back test. Okay, so let's bump the version. Let's save this, and I'm not sure. I mean, I guess that we will do the new leather, and hopefully that's good enough for today or something. Yeah, okay. So let me. We shouldn't have anything more than just the back stuff. So now I should be able to have, I mean, yeah, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bump the version so that it's F8. Okay, F8. F8. Nice. This one here, nothing more. Bump version to F8. Okay. So now we are going to find this version somewhere. Where the hell are you, my friend? Here. Okay, F8. Nice. Let's have this into the video description. Okay, we have F8. Okay, let's copy this script like trailering F reverse, trailing F reverse. So this is F7, F8 debug. Okay. So now we should be able to make this same thing from scratch. I mean, from A13.
Yeah. And it should be easier than we did before. Yeah. I wonder if some of the trades are not okay or something. So my question is, do we have something like do we have some close instead of stop loss? Let's see. We can also try again and see what happens when you say, yeah, just use 2 old orders with 0 stop loss. And if you have more than 6 trades, then you close the trade. Is it any better than what we have? No, not so much. What about using this stuff about enforcing the higher time frame so that you ignore some of the trades which should not be good enough? Is this anything better by any chance? So Emma. Okay. What about these settings being used in 4 hours? Is it going to be any better by any chance? Look at that, 4 hours seems to be a bit better for us. But is this something that keeps working okay in each one of the trades? My one. Take a look at that. So probably in in 4 hours, this is much better. But I'm not sure. Look at that, minus 10%. What does happen with this minus 10% if we manage to... So this is 4 hours. Yeah, what does happen if we change the ratio to 1? Is it any better? No, it's not. There was also the 0.40, which was a bit better. I mean, we found out this 0.40 something that was quite nice. But the problem is that, you know, I don't know. I think we can improve this with the volume so that we can remove some of these trades that should not be there. Then everything should be fine. Okay, anyway.
We can also try with day and see if this is any good at all. I mean, we start from 2021, but look at that. Daily doesn't work so well. What about XMR, which we like a lot? Wait a minute, I think there's something else. Okay. Why are there some few trades from XMR? Oh, because we are in 1 day. I want to test 1 hour. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Or do not look at that. Minus. I don't understand is that I'm supposed to gamble only 1%. I'm not sure this is working okay. Okay, so other stop loss is used here, and other stop loss per one is used here. So that okay, let me check some of the trades. So it's minus 1%. Problem is that you win half of it. Yeah, that's the problem. You win half of it. This should be something like 0.7 instead of this. So hopefully you've got 50%. So we need something similar to 50%. So that this is worth it. Is this too much? Not, no, it's not. Okay, let me see what we get with this. Minus 20. Yeah, okay. Minus 20. Yeah, I mean, we need more debug because otherwise this is not. I mean, we need to filter by volume, and that's it. So that we manage to remove everything that makes sense from the volume point of view, so that it's good enough, you know.
We might use this or the other one. Okay, so then we have BTC DOM, which I'm not sure about this, which is the current ratio 0.5. We are in 1 hour. One idea is using this BTC DOM minus 25%. It's not a good thing to have. Hopefully, but about having a 0.75 ratio. Is anything helpful? No, it's not. About 1.1 ratio. 1.5. 0.9. What about resetting everything and say that this is 1.9? Is it any better? Okay, 3 of it. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be too few trades to take any conclusion. Okay, let's reset everything and we will work on this later. Let's see what happens. Yet another 7,000 that gets 17,000 that gets rejected. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you have the latest version on the script and that's it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to show you a video we will end. Zignaly, all of the profit, none of the work. Invest alongside the top digital asset managers and funds. If you use my link and deposit at least 100 USDT or more to any profit sharing services, you will be rewarded with $20 worth of non-withdrawable thick coins that can be used for paying Zignaly success fees. Zignaly, all of the profit, not